Hello, everybody. This is a picture out my sliding door. I'm Barbara D, and I live in Acton, California. And back in September, I was among those out here that SGE turned the power off on because of these extremely high winds. There was other people in my town that really actually suffered much more. We were off for about 4 days. There was people here in town that were off for a couple of weeks at a time. So I'm taking this because it's really weird. They told us that it was because of the winds, and I'm trying to get another view out of my other window for you guys to see. The winds are just insane here today. I mean, I can't even imagine how fast the wind speed is. But we had 70-degree weather for 4 days in a row, and the nighttime temperatures were about 45. And last night it dropped down to 19 degrees, and it's only 44 to 45 degrees here now today. So I don't know what they're up to with the weather, but obviously no good. It's insane because it's just, I live in a weird area because we're one of our main streets is called Crown Valley Road, and it's because of the mountain ranges that circle Acton create a crown, which is really weird now that I think about it, because everything is about crowns right now, and the coronavirus, oh my gosh. Oh well, I don't want to go there right now, but wow, the windows are shaking. People's trash cans blew down the street. I know it's probably gonna get worse. So anyway, you guys, oh gosh, I feel sorry for the birds and the animals when it gets like this. I hear a little Isabel. Is that my landlady's kitty? Yes. Did it get cold last night for you, Miss Izzy? Huh? Did it get cold for you? It's my little sweet. Ooh, listen to that wind whistle, honey. Oh, she's such a good kitty, isn't she? She got a bath 2 days ago. Yes, she did. And she needed it. All right, everybody. That was a little treat. You got to say hello to Isabel. She's very sweet. All right, you guys, we'll keep you up on the weather. Any comments appreciated.